Hello, in this video I will show how we can use the Sync Manager in NXCam. So we can use the Sync Manager in NXCam to synchronize operations and motions in multi-channel machines. So in this example, I have a DMG Sprint 65 linear machine. This is a 3-channel machines and 2 spindles. And I have a simple process here. I have just a facing in the channel 1, another facing in the channel number 2, and roughing in the channel 1, and the rough in the channel number 3. So in this case, as we have all operations inside of the same folder or the same program group, I will select the program group here and I will start the Sync Manager. So the first thing we have is an error message because we have all channels working at the same time. So this is not machine or NC code error, but this error is related to the synchronization. As we add some sync marks, this error will not happen more. So I will hit OK here. And now we have started the Sync Manager. So here we have the channel session. So here we can see the 3 channels. So channel 1, operations under channel 1, channel 2, operations under channel 2, and channel 3, operations under channel 3. So here we have the play backward and step forward, reset, and the speed of the simulation. In here we have the NC code session. So if we would like, we can see also the NC code that will be sent to the machine. Also here we have some details, and here we have the time chart, so we can control and configure the process and check the time. So I will collapse this, and we will use mainly this session, the synchronize session. So here we have some options that we can see the channel session here. For example, here, collapse all, I will see just the operation names. If I expand all, I can see the motions here. So here we can see all the motions type, and we can add sync marks between motions. And here also we have the machine code lines. So this is an advantage because, as we can see here in the channel number 3, we can see channel number 3, here channel number 2, and here channel number 1. We can see the exact NC code that the machine will execute to run the process. So in this case, first I will collapse all, and I will add some sync marks in this mode. So I would like to, for example, add a sync event, so I can right-click and insert event. And in this dialog box, I can define which channels will be affected by this sync mark. So in this case, channel 1, 2, and 3. So I will hit OK here. So the sync mark is valid for all 3 channels. So I will add here and here to align the 3 operations. And now I will add a new sync mark here for all channels, okay, and I will move here, and I will move here. So now I will execute, for example, first the two facing operations, and then the roughing using the channel 1 and the channel number 3. So before we add sync marks inside of the operation, I will add a new sync mark here, just on channel 1 and channel 3, because now we don't have anything more under channel 2. So I will move down here, here, and here. So now the system, actually the machine, will execute both facing operations at the same time, and then we'll rough with channel 1, and then we'll rough with channel number 3. So I will reset here. Okay, we don't get more the error message, so it seems everything is okay. I will collapse this group and I will hit play. So I will change the speed here and I will hit play. So as we can see, the machine is executing the process exactly as we configured in the sync manager. So now, for example, I will remove this sync mark. So I will delete here, and I will configure the roughing operations as a pinch turn. So in this case, I will expand here, and we have here the engage motion here and engage motion here. So I will align here the engage motions, just number 1 and number 3. So engage here and engage here. So both engages are at the same time. And if I scroll down here, I have another engage here and another engage here. So insert sync, okay, and both engages are aligned also. And just for safety, I will add a new sync mark at the end of the path. So here and here. Okay, I will collapse all, and now we have a star before the operation name. So this means that these sync marks, this, and this are inside of the operation. So now the machine will run the facing operations first, and then we'll run the roughing operations in the main spindle part using a pinch turn process. So let me just here, and let me reset here. Okay, and let me hit play. So perfect. This is how the sync manager works in NXCam. And using the sync manager, we can synchronize all necessary channels present in the machine. Thank you.